Garden romance for Valentine's Day. What could be better? Beautiful design, contemporary style. Let me show you how it's done. The materials, most important, the beautiful roses, garden roses from GardenRosesDirect.com. They're called Garden Romance. How perfect for Valentine's. The vessel, easy, and then personalizing it by adding ribbon around. So taking the faux aspidistra, using U-glue dashes, placing it on, and securing it, and then bringing it back around and securing again with one more dash to make sure that it covers. And then, to finish it off, a bit of Valentine ribbon, doing the same thing. U-glue dashes to secure it in place. Fill the vessel with fresh water, pre-mixed with flower food. When I started, so just adding a little bit more. Then, before you flower, go to your foliage. And I know if you've done classes with me, you know the rule is at least 3 different kinds. But today, I'm going to do multiples. Bit of the New Zealand pittosporum, letting it come in. And then a little bit of the umbrella fern. The more, the better as far as the different varieties. So just setting that in, letting it drape over. Putting this one back in. A little bit of Ariostemon. This adds such great fragrance. Giving it a cut, letting it drape. And everything I put in, I do that central binding point, starting a grid that's going to support all of your flowers. A little bit more, maybe some geranium. I know, so many different foliages. New Zealand pittosporum, Ariostemon, geranium, umbrella fern, and a little bit of ruscus as well. The more foliages, the better. With the base nest in place, it's time for the star of the show, the Garden Romance Garden Roses. So perfect for Valentine's. Tucking them in, letting them be beautiful, and then continuing, having some to the front, some to the back, and then filling in side to side. To finish, adding a soft accent. Wax flower is perfect. Gives you a little bit of lightness, just breaking it down, and then placing it in, letting it come a little bit taller, and also tucking in to add a bit of texture, that little bit of contrast, and waxflower has that beautiful fragrance that's perfect to make Valentine's even more romantic. The recipe, I started with so many different types of foliage, and that's important. Doesn't matter which kind, but as many foliages as you can find to create that beautiful nest. Then the stars of the show, 12 Garden Romance roses. So it gives you a total different look from the classic Valentine's roses, so much more fabulous. Then filled in with 3 stems of waxflower broken apart. How perfect for a wonderful romantic Valentine's. Designing for Valentine's is easy when you have fabulous friends like GardenRosesDirect.com. They have so many beautiful roses to choose from. You'll find more creative inspiration and more roses on our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. Gather 12 garden roses and make a beautiful arrangement. Be sure to take a picture and post it on social media. #FloralDesignInstitute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.